So my cat doesn't want me to close the window fully, so I closed it a little bit. Hopefully there's no loud noises. If there is, my greatest apologies. Hey, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing another unboxing of BoxyCharm for October. See, ta-da! Has not been opened. Tape is still there, can't get it open. So let's open it and see what's inside. I'm gonna use one of Zach's little knives. Okay. Open it. Immediately inside is the little piece of paper and items underneath. So let's pull it out. They're introducing the bigger BoxyCharm Premium Beauty Box worth over $175 value for only $35. Inside this pamphlet tells you the items that you get inside and a little bit of information on them and their full size price. Well, I'm a little slow today. So let's get started. Let's get started with the first item. First and foremost, we get Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. It's $32. You can see in the back from the shades. They look like darker shades. That's not metal, that's hard plastic. I thought it was metal for a second there. And again, it's on the back. It says Marvelous Mauves. So let's open it. Ooh, these are pretty. I'm gonna have to do a look next week with this. Look at those. Those are pretty. I'm gonna have to do a matte look next week. Yep. It's a thing, it's gonna happen. Matte look next week. That'll be doing on a Friday, so I'm gonna come up for a couple of weeks. This. Ooh, look how shiny that is. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter, wow, Glassy Skin Balm. An extra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Full price size is $32. It says Glossy right on the top. Pull it out. Open it from the bottom. Oh, like so. And ta-da. It has a nice scent to it. So when do we use it? It doesn't tell you on the paper when to use it. It just says after dark, so I'm guessing a lot of these things are like after dark related products. Like that looks like it's type of a after dark type of makeup. Maybe this is a nighttime makeup. However, oh, here it is. I was going to say, however, it's all in Korean, so I can't read it. It says right here, at the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly to the face needed to achieve doughy and glowing skin. Apply 2 or 3 times allows you for even longer lasting wear. So, I think it means you could also wear it underneath makeup, because long and lasting wear, maybe? It doesn't say. So, or maybe it's just a nighttime mask. I'll probably just use it as a nighttime mask because I got a lot of primers that I need to go through. And who knows, maybe I'll try it once or twice, see how it goes, see if it does anything unique or different. Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Full size is $26. I have lipstick on my teeth. So if that was there before, I am sorry. It says Nearly Nude, which I usually use nude colors, so I'm excited for this. Ooh. It smells like toothpaste. I don't know if you can really see that very good. It's definitely glossy. It smells like toothpaste. But because it's glossy, it's easy to come off, so make sure you beware of that. I'm just gonna wipe it off now. and then it fell to the floor. Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Vegan and cruelty-free. $35. I like masks. What kind of mask is it? Do you just put it on and wash it off? Is it one that sticks to your face and to peel it off? Apply the mask twice weekly on cleansing skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. If contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. It may stain fabric, so be careful. So I'm probably going to use this in the shower, like wash my face in the shower, then put it on, and then do everything else. And then wash it off, because I hate doing masks in my bathroom because the water gets everywhere when I wash it off. So I usually just do masks in the shower unless if I'm doing it for videos. So I will definitely try this out and see how it turns out. And for the last item in this box, last item, empty. Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge, an edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator, worth $21. So my favorite sponge is the Real Technique sponge, and I always seem to go back to the Real Technique sponge. Every single sponge I've ever tried, in which I've tried a couple of different brands, I always go back to Real Technique. But this is really soft. It's really soft. Like almost... No, the Real Technique one is still a little bit more, still softer. It's obviously dirty because of how much I use. I need to buy another one. But texture, this one's smoother. This one has hair. I need to buy a new one. So I guess it's a good thing that I got a new sponge. Because that one's kind of needing another life. So definitely will have to try this. Definitely have to. Especially if it's $21, I better do what it wants to do, you know? Simply wet, squeeze, and bounce your way back to streak-free makeup perfection. Which I do. Because if I have streaks in my makeup, I get upset. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not... I always seem to go through it so fast. So, yes! Facetune. That's an app. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, keep on watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I do videos on makeup and mental health videos as well. So I hope you guys liked. Bye!